Hey, let's go play some Wii.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's play some Mario Wii.
Yeah.
Okay, let's play some Mario Wii. What? I guess we're playing this game then. Okay, I'm gonna put the game in the thing now. Alright, let's play. Okay, so let's play this game. Ah!
What?
Oh no, the Wii! Okay. Oh no, no. Here, I gotta Google it. Move. How do you fix your Wii game? Okay, come on. We gotta fix this. Hello, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your scratched Wii discs that do not work. So yes, it's one simple step. So first, let me show you that this disc is scratched, and we've had it for about 3 years. And yeah, so let's just fix it. So first things first, you gotta drown your Wii disc, and that's how you get the thing to work. So yeah! Now all you gotta do is dry it off with some random towel. Yeah, just do that. It could be any type of towel. And you gotta make sure not to get all the water off, that way it just is. So yeah, let's go! Now put the disc back into your Leapster and turn the game on. Click start. And if you didn't frick it up, like most people do, then you would be able to play Wii Sports! 100% guaranteed. Now give me my money. Here's some actual gameplay. Woo! Professional. I'm gonna have it. Oh no, look what they've done. They're screwed. Hey guys, today we're gonna teach you how to fix your TV. Come along.